Hello. 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 You are on time for once. Also, I'm sorry. I'm gonna say this right now before I forget. I do have a little bit of a sore throat. And I just woke up from a nap. So I'm sorry if I don't really have any energy right now. I'm still kind of groggy. I'm just a little groggy. I'm good. I woke up at like 8 a.m. Is it 9 a.m.? I don't know. I mean, I wake up normally at like 12, so that was hours earlier than normal. It's a fucking different time zone. I woke up and like what I woke up to was like a really loud, sharp knock from the door. And that scared the crap out of me. That scared me so much. You don't understand. I'm so scared. I jumped like out of bed. We're like not even out of bed, but like I jumped and I looked at the door and was like, who the fuck even? And then that scared me. And then I rolled in bed for like a minute just because I was trying to wake up. And then I heard another knock from my door and I was like, oh my god. My mom was in a very rushy mood this morning. So I got up as soon as I could. It was not the best way to wake up, I'm not gonna lie. And the second I woke up, I put a bra on because the cleaners were coming. And I brushed my teeth. I took my morning pee. Everyone has a morning pee. And then I started cleaning. I find it so funny how we have cleaners to come to the house, but we clean before the cleaners come, you know? It's kind of weird. It's a little strange, but at the same time, like, I understand it, because I'm like, I wouldn't want some strangers who are cleaning my house to, like, touch all the stuff I don't want them to touch, you know? So, I like take away the things that are, like, important that I don't want them to touch, or like they know not to touch my PC anymore. I clean that myself. Or like if there's little stuff on my desk, like my lip balm, any cream stuff, I like put it in a little basket and then I set it aside so that they can just like wipe the surface. Instead of like having to take it all away themselves and then wiping the surface. I feel like it would just take extra effort. Or like in my bathroom, I'll clean up a lot of the bottles and stuff that I use off the countertop so they can just wipe the countertop. Yeah. That's how I did. I cleaned. Ah, Lila. Hi. I'm not sure whether to call you Lila or Maria because they both sound like first names to me. But they're both very cute names. Good morning. You have no coding experience? Okay, I understand. I fully understand. I'm not a coding person. I'm not a coding person. I'm kind of scared. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of scared of coding today, especially because I'm kind of EP. So, you know, I'm kind of EP. Yeah, I cleaned a little bit and then I set up for stream real quick, and then I came back to my bed when they were done with my room, and I took a nap for like... Okay, so I wanted to take a 1-hour nap. That was the goal. It could have been 2 if I just did things a little quicker, but it ended up being like a bit less than 1 because when I went to nap, like 10, no, not even like 20 minutes into my nap, my sister came into my room, and then it kind of broke up the nap cycle, so I couldn't really fall back asleep. But I mean, she came into my room for a good reason, so I was okay with that. And then I went downstairs at like 12... No, not even. I went downstairs at like 1 once I put the loading screen up. And my sister was making some Vietnamese food. It was banh mi? Is that how you say it? She was making some, and I was like, oh, that looks good. But I'm in a rush, and I also know myself. If I eat in the afternoon, like if I eat a lot in the afternoon, I end up not really eating anything for dinner, and I didn't want to miss dinner because I'm going to my grandparents' place tonight. And I think most of you know if I ever go to my parents or grandparents' place, I eat a lot, and my grandpa makes a lot of good food, so I didn't want to eat too much anyway. But she was like, "Do you want me to make some for you?" And I was like, "No, it's okay. I'll be okay without it. I'll just stuff myself tonight." Yeah. So instead of that, I have chips, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't really feel like eating them. I have hot chocolate though, which will probably help a little bit. Yeah, burn me. I don't really eat it, to be honest. It's not the most easy thing to find in Canada, but they're good. They're pretty good. I don't like how they're always full of why did my eyes do that? Oh my god. I don't like how they're full of vegetables. I'm not a vegetable fan. I think you guys know this. I mean, if you've known me long enough, you know I'm not a big fan of vegetables, right? It's ugh. They do, and I love that about my grandparents. They love making food for us, and they always ask us to come over to pick food up and stuff. And I was like, ah, cute. Cute. I just don't like surprise jalapeno on it. Fair. Actually fair. I don't like jalapenos. They're too spicy for me. I'm weak. I'm kind of weak against jalapenos. Also, yeah, I will try and kiss my mic basically so that you guys can actually hear me today. Because I'm not gonna talk very loud. I know me. I'm gonna act confused as fuck, but I don't think I should stress my voice too much. And I woke up from my nap and I felt so cold. Like, the inside of my bed was so warm, but the outside was just so cold. And I was like, oh, I recognize this feeling. That only happens whenever I either, one, take the best nap ever, which I know I didn't, or I'm sick. So I think I'm leaning towards the second one. I asked my mom or my dad or my sister this morning if they felt anything while we ate some breakfast, which is just some fruit. And my mom was like, "Oh, I actually had a sore throat yesterday. I was feeling it." And I was like, "Oh dear." American veggies? Oh. Oh. Is your birthday, Danny? Happy birthday. Happy womb eviction day. Happy I have seen the world for the first time day. You actually no, don't see, but you enter the world for the first time day. Nah. Alright, I do have some things we need to talk about before I start coding it. Let me on my hot chocolate first. Quick. Okay, so I have a. I'm gonna make a poll real quick. I think I should make a poll. Give me 1 second. That's not a. I don't want to do that. It's Q&A. Poll. Okay. Okay. I'm only giving 2 options, yes and no, to make this easier. Wow, wow. Okay, tides are turning, 50-50. 50-50. Okay, so half of you in chat. No, it's not half anymore. Most of you say no. I'm looking at it turning. Oh boy. So, I mean, if you learned it in the past and you forgot it, that means you don't know it now. So the answer would be no. But not enough to say that you know? Okay. Hi, Kaido! How you doing? Hi, Nika. Allah. Hi, Dip. Allah. I have a few things that I'd like to set out to do with the Python coding today. I haven't downloaded anything for coding, by the way. I was just going to use the online editor stuff because I heard that was a thing and I didn't want to download anything. So we're going to use that. There are some things that I want to do today. Okay, there's some things that I want to do today with learning how to code. There are two things that I would like to successfully code. Okay, we're gonna do this together because I do not think I can do this on my own. I'm not gonna lie, and I think there's plenty of you in chat who would know at least how to do those two things. I believe. I believe in you. I believe in you. One of them is a Fahrenheit to Celsius converter. Because I keep... Okay, the reason why I thought of it was because lately, I've been getting Fahrenheit on my, like, weather app thing, even though I'm in Canada, and I set it to Celsius. There's another one that I have two. The other one's showing it to me in Fahrenheit, and I'm like, why in the fuck? So I wanna do that. Yeah, I've been told it was pretty standard. Like conversion stuff is pretty standard. And it's not too complicated. Yeah, it is just math, which is why it shouldn't be too difficult for like a beginner to do. I also thought it sounded pretty simple because you could just math it without coding, but I thought it'd be fun to at least try to do it with code. Are you sure you're not getting US weather reports? I mean, if it's in Toronto, oh god, my throat, you hear that? If it's in Toronto, then no, I'm pretty sure it's not in the US. If anything, it might be like the Niagara Falls report because they have both. And then gameplays to start? Okay, I chose the right thing. So that's one of the things that I wanted to do. I thought about another conversion, which would be like from pounds to kilograms, or from like feet to centimeters for height, because that would be really nice. Just any kind of conversion that I think would be useful is what I thought we could start with. So something like that would be pretty good for a start. I only thought up to that point because I wasn't really sure how much I would actually learn today. I think that's a good starting point. I mean, we could start with even like a basic ass calculator. Because I think a lot of people just use calculators for like addition or subtraction and stuff. So calculators are good too. But I think conversions are like more interesting because it's more applicable. You know, I don't actually use a calculator very often. I thought coding something like that would be really cool. Did you guys have any ideas? Like what would you do? What would you do? I think a better question is what would you do? Yeah, I would have to learn syntax. I know print is a pretty big one. Using quotation marks is also pretty common. Write something that will ask you what you want to convert and then do the right conversion. What? That's crazy. Was it the first? Oh yeah, hello world, hello world. Also quick to forget. That's fine with me. This is for a donathon goal. I mean, yes, I'd like to remember. I'd like to remember what I learned to code, but I'm okay with forgetting this time. If I really am interested and I enjoy it, then I'll try again. But like, for today, we're just learning the basics. Hello world is a rite of passage. The print and then the quotation marks. Hello world, is that why? So, I feel like I should give a little bit of a background for anyone watching the VOD who does not know my history with coding while I open my bag of Cheetos. Give me a second. Okay. So, oh god, my throat. I told you I was getting sick. Okay. because it proves that everything is working correctly. Ah, does it not always print hello world? Snacks are important for programmers. I've been told. I have seen on Instagram some like, you know, lifestyle things where people are coding from their home, like their work from home setup, and they always have like a fruit bowl or something next to them. Or they make a snack or they throw it in a bowl to make it feel fancy. So okay, anyway, I will give you my history of coding, which some of you may know. It's not very much. Okay, it's really not. I took computer engineering in my last, I don't know, second last year of high school. So that would be junior year or grade 11, as us Canadians call it. So I took computer engineering with zero background in coding or like making anything. In grade 9 and 10, which are the first 2 years of high school, I didn't, what's the word? I didn't take business or like any computer classes. On the other hand, my friends did, so they had like a little... They just had a lot more exposure to coding stuff more than me. Like they learned Java, or like they learned just other languages that I didn't know. And when I was in grade 11, my friend was like, take computer engineering with me. It's gonna be an easy elective. And I was like, okay, I'll trust you. I go into this class, right? For first day of school, I go into this class. And my teacher, she's like this cute little Filipino lady. And I look around, it's me and my friend. We're just chilling right in front of, like, we sit in the front of the class. And surrounding us is just guys everywhere. Just all the men you could possibly think of. Oh, hi, Raylis. Hello. Are we playing Helldivers tonight? You never replied. Okay, wait. I was talking about... What was I talking about? Fuck. I was talking about something. Oh, yeah. I was talking about my computer engineering thing. Pia! Pia! Is that Pia? Did someone say Pia? Oh, you don't know it? Okay, okay. Hi, Pia. Wait, I'm gonna have like one cheetah. Hi, Pia. Can you find a raid? She's probably streaming on Twitch. At least I think. I'm pretty sure. I was looking at her stream today and she was like doing some recording stuff with a really cute model. You guys should go check it out, by the way. Do I have a Pia exclamation mark here for her YouTube channel? I'm actually not 100% sure if I do. Stream Elements, are you alive? Hold up, give me a second. Chatbot. Chat commands. Custom commands? Oh, I made it PFP. Just about that. Why did I make it PFP? I should just make it Pia. Let me edit this. Okay, there we go. I made it Pia instead of PFP. Pia is much easier. Hi, Pia. I hope you had a nice stream. I hope your recording thingy went well. I saw you using your model, and I had the keyboard thing, and it was really cool. Yeah. Hi. Thank you for the raid. I hope we play Helldivers again someday. I'm sorry, time zones are shitty as fuck, but I'm sure we'll make it work again. I believe. Or wait, we'll collab something else someday. Yeah. Okay. I am so sleepy. I feel like I'm jet lagged, but I'm not on a plane, or I haven't been on a plane recently, but I feel like I'm jet lagged. Okay, yeah, anyway, what was I talking about? Oh wait, hello Raiders, I am the Amarte Human Incident Training Polyglot that speaks 5 languages, that also has a bit of a sore throat, and kind of may possibly be feverish. Mino Mieko, you can call me Mia. Hi. Thank you, Chiro. Have fun on a plane, I think? I hope Pia get more YouTube peoples to follow or subscribe to her, because Pia deserves it. Pia's so sweet to me. Cody might make you EP after the first hour or two. Oh god. Yeah, I don't think I ever left the Cali time zone either, but it's okay. What was I talking about? Hi Nod! Oh yeah. So in this computer engineering class, there was me, my friend, who she was really interested in this kind of thing. I never really was. I came there for the easy A. She said it was gonna be easy, and I was like, okay, I'll go with you. And then our Filipino teacher, and the surrounding us just was a bunch of guys, right? That's what we were talking about. Day one, she was like, does anyone have any coding experience, or have they coded in their own time, or like have they, wanted to code, stuff like that? Everyone in the class raised their hands, and I was just like, oh shit. This is the wrong class that I signed up for. But then the first things that we learned were like binary code stuff, like the zeros and ones, and how it turns into letters and numbers. And we did like the and or stuff, boolean somethings. Like I think every computer something student would have done that, to be honest. It's very basic stuff. That was the moment that I definitely knew that I fucked up. Man, it was really basic stuff. We had quizzes on it. It wasn't difficult. Yeah, and or not, that stuff. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I did the very first day. And it was easy. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. That was actually one of the easiest things that I'd ever done. And I was like, oh, hey, I can take this class. I don't have to drop it. I don't have to switch it for anything. This is fine. I was so confident. I don't know where the confidence came from, but I was really confident. I was like, oh, I can definitely take this class. And then we actually had to code something. So the way that my teacher would kind of organize the class is she would teach us something, and then we would go on the computers after that and try and use what she taught us into a specific like code thing. And so I think one of the first things that we did was like a random number what's it called? A random number generator, kind of like rolling a dice. So we had to make the code generate a random number between 1 and 6. And I was like, oh, I can do that easy. With what she taught us. And I honestly don't really remember what the code looked like, but it was in C++. That was the language that I learned. And the only thing I remember to actually code something with was how to use void, and that after every single line you have to add a semicolon, and if you don't add the semicolon, the code won't run. That is the two things that I remember a lot from my time in computer engineering. That is it. I don't really remember anything else. I know we used if and stuff quite a bit, and brackets, lots of brackets. Quotation marks sometimes, and man, what else do I remember? I remember using the greater than, less than symbols. I don't really remember why we used them, but I know we did. And I used a shit ton of brackets. I know I did. I know I used a shit ton of brackets. Because I remember like writing a bit of code, and then I would type in like a void thing, and then it's basically like an insert here thing, and then I would like go down to a different section of the code, like all the way at the bottom, and like add this in. Yeah, like that thing. And I was like, yeah, I use this greater than, less than stuff a lot. Raju, what is that, Raju? Heck yeah. Man, I remember coding that. A few of the other things that I've coded was... oh, we did the rice... We did the dice thing. Also tried doing that random number generator thing, kind of like a slot machine, where we had to like roll 3 numbers and hope we get 777. We did that. I remember. Oof. I think it was the traffic light thing. We did a traffic light thing that I fucked up real bad. So during class we had to code a traffic light intersection, and it was 2 lanes going north and one lane going north, 1 lane going south, and then another 2 lanes, one going east, one going west. And I was like, ah. You know, like, what? Nani? And I didn't understand any of it. So what happened was, the reason why I passed this course, to my dismay, is not because of any work that I did. I feel like I didn't work very hard for that course, to be honest. What happened was, my friend, after she was done with her code, she would slide over next to me and was like, "Did you finish it?" And I was like, "No." And she would write the code for me. So I would have my assignments basically done by her. So she would write it for me, and I was like, "Ooh wee, I'm home free." And we also did a project together where we had to make a robot, and I was so proud of my robot. If I can find any videos of my robot, I will send it to you because it was real cute. Okay, we coded it so the antennas would have a couple of different functions where it's like, if the left one was hit, it would rotate 90 degrees to the right so it wouldn't hit the thing on the left, or like the opposite for the right side. Or if both of the antennas were hit at the same time, it would turn 180 degrees, so it would go backwards, basically go the way it came. And yeah, we coded something like that. It was really cute. It was real fucking cute. Yeah, we basically coded a Roomba. It was so cute. It was so small. It had like a tiny little motherboard on it. Yeah, it was really, really cute. I screwed it together. Yeah, I put the wheels on it, and I put the antennas on it, and I attached the thingy to the motherboard, and I was like, yes. I was so proud, okay? I was so fucking proud. I like the building part more than actually coding. I think that's why I stayed in that class. So then, finals came, and I was entering the finals with like a 90-something or 80-something? Like high 80s, low 90s. And I was like, I just have to not fail this exam, and everything will be okay. I will pass. I was so confident I would pass. And I did every other code that I could. Like, there were small problems. It was basically the assignments that we had throughout the year, but like a little different. So like maybe instead of rolling 1 dice from 1 to 6, it would be like roll 2 die from 1 to 6, you know? Or like the traffic light thing, that was the bad one. That was so fucking bad because I turned to the last page of my exam, and the last question was at the top of the page, and it wasn't even the last sheet of paper. It was like 2 blank sheets of paper attached to the back of the exam booklet. And then on the, like, you imagine you open a book, right? On the left top side is where the question was, and it was to write the whole traffic light intersection code thing. And then there was like just 2 blank pages, and I was like, do I need that much? Do I actually need that many pages to write this code? And I freaked out because we also had to do it in pen, and I think I butchered the crap out of it. I didn't do well on that question, but my teacher gave me participation marks, or like a "you tried" mark, so I got some marks from it at least. So that's why I've never taken coding since, like any kind of coding class, because I was bad at it. My brain doesn't like the logic that it goes through. It just isn't. Sorry, it just isn't for me. I think I'm just really bad at coding. I See, I wouldn't say I hated it if I hadn't tried it. And it's not that I hate coding. It's that I don't understand. And I feel like it would take forever to learn everything. So I gave up on it. I was like, I know I am better at other things and I'm just not gonna code for the rest of my life. But I figured for the Donathon goal this would be pretty interesting. I just won't choose C++. I'm gonna try Python today. I love how most of you say that you don't know how to code in Python, which is great because that means there's less people to backseat me. I love how you say it's for beginners, but like, you should know me. I'm not good with coding now. Okay? You know me. You know me. You think I would be good at coding even if it was for beginners? You thought wrong. You think computer languages are easier than human languages? That's crazy. Also, I really wanted to eat my Cheetos, so give me a second. I've been yapping. Pretty good. Okay. Okay. Is my throat still feeling dry? It's a little better now. It helped with the nap. You have to be good at it. Yeah, I was told that things will fill out for you in this kind of coding. You know? Like, they'll just fill in the blank for you. But in C++, you really have to do everything by yourself. Hmm? 90% is logic, 20% of it is syntax remembrance. Okay, so we need to go through syntax, is what I'm understanding. Oh, thank you, Zakta. Thank you. Okay. Let's go through some syntax. Give me a second. Okay. So we're here today. We've gathered here today. Oh, wait. I gotta get my nerd glasses on. Yeah. I can't be coding without some glasses, am I right? Blue light filters. Blue light filters, am I right? Blue light filters. Don't they look good? They look pretty good if you ask me. Think. I feel like they're like lopsided. It's good enough. Okay. Time to nerd. Yes, okay. I'm gonna put this in the corner. Let me put my earbuds in. Did you guys see the new Hello Kitty Sanrio drop, by the way? It is adorable as heck. Because I've been thinking of buying some headphones because my AirPods, they keep falling out of my ear. I already have the smallest silicone attached to it, not the big one. It still falls out of my ear because it's too big and my ear can't contain it. So it's not the right size, and I'm thinking I should just get a headset, like a just one to listen to music or something when I'm outside, so my ears don't die. And I hate things in my ears. I like my earbuds are not the kinds that like have the silicone bit that go in your ear. It's the kind that sits on the outside of the ear. Kind of like the old... Oh my god, my voice. Kind of like old AirPods, you know? So, I'm like, I should just get some cheap-ass headset. Like, I don't care if the mic is bad. I just probably will need a headset. Like, a proper one. Okay. Before I get distracted, what's the to-do list today? It was... We're gonna learn some syntax, or at least I'm gonna learn some syntax, and you're gonna help me learn this syntax. And then we're gonna code something. Right? Right? I have to look for a Python IDE, right? That's what I was told to look up. Is that what I have to look up? Is that it? Is that what I was supposed to look up? Okay. I think I found one. Let me share my screen real quick. Aha. So I only need this bit, right? I can't even tell what is like the end of the screen and not the end of the screen. Okay, wait, let me... I just want to see where the end is, but I don't think there is an end, so this just got real hard to fix into the screen. This will probably fit. Right? Okay. That will fit. Okay. Just wanted to see how much it cropped out. There's kind of a lot. I'll make a separate one, I think, later. But okay. Said with love, yes, said with love. Okay. So, you guys want to tell me where to start? I just want to start. Okay, wait, we have to decide what I'm coding today. What am I coding? What kind of conversion are we doing? The basic ones, right? Print hello world. I know it goes like this. Do I have to put a space? I think I have to put a space. And then like, hello world, right? Is that how I do it? And then I click run? Nope. I didn't do it right. What did I not do? I have to do the... Wait, what? Why are there so many little thingies? Okay, wait. So I have to do a bracket? Why do I have to do a bracket? Like that? I did it! Invoke the main function like I'm some sort of wizard, like... Invoke the function. That's a word that I haven't heard used in coding before. Oh yeah, I printed hello world, I did it. Also, can I make the text bigger? Am I just... Oh god, ow. Okay, it's so small. I just have to code like this. I thought I know it's blank space. I think it's nicer to space just because it's easier to see. Flashbang. Are you called wizardry? Is it because everyone's a nerd? Is that why? This is my first program. Hell yeah. Can I make it print Tenchi? There it is. Okay. So print just means to write the thing out. What does print actually mean? Can someone define print for me? Do I have to look this up? Is this something I should Google? Or is this something you guys can tell me? Okay. Okay, so that's what print does. Can I... Why did I need the bracket? Can someone tell me what the bracket does? I use buzzwords. Print your screen, basically? Ah. Okay. Okay. Understood. Understood. So how do I start coding a thing? I need to know the syntax. Is there like a place that I can find some syntax thingies? Bamboo's in there as well. So it doesn't have to be Tenchi. Does it have... I guess like the quotation marks does... Oh god. If I put in the brackets, like, a thing, will it do the thing? Does it? Python's official website. Okay, wait, let me find it. I'm gonna open up a separate window. Python's official website. Python.org. Okay. About quotes. This? Beginner's guide. Oh my god, this is not beginner friendly. Oh no. Why is this so big? Quote prints the word literally without the quotes if you print Wait, what? X equals Tenchi. And then print X? Like that? Is that gonna work? I don't think that's gonna work. Oh my god, it worked! Wait, it worked! I'm coding things. Whoa. This crazy. Wait, so if I just do like... Wait, is this like math? Like x plus 1, x plus 2 equals something? What is y? Is it like algebra? Learns variable. This is basically math, isn't it? Oh, you work in programming? Okay, thank God. We have 2 people that I know I can trust. Okay, so it can be anything. Okay. Let me think. Oh. You can make a calculator now. What? I can make a calculator? Alright, how do I make a calculator? I'd have to set, like... numbers, no? If you use the if statement, you can make multiple... Okay, we're not there yet. No. That's still too much right now. To a different string? What do you mean by string? I still have to do x equals something, right? My caps lock on? How to print out whatever I type in? Isn't it just this? And then like the bracket? And then... Wow. Is it not just that? That's how I print everything, right? It's just whatever's in the quote. Okay, I learned that. Now I know I can just do the x equals something. What if it was like a number? Oh my god. I just want the number 1. Can I do that? And then what if I made it y? Like that. Can I print like x plus y equals something? Will that work? Yes? Unless the numbers are meant to be part of a string. What does that mean? Okay. I'll put bracket. Will that work? I made a calculator! I made a calculator! Oh! Oh! That's crazy. X equals Y? It's not defined. It said no. Does it have to be a number? Then doesn't work, it'll give you an error. That's what happened with the C++ thing too, I think. And this? Hmm? Nani? Below this thing? Then it would just mean everything is 1, no? The reverse works. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so now I know how to make a calculator. If I can do 1 plus 1 equals 2, what else can I do? I want to make a converter thingy. How do I do that? I gotta look that up. Alright. Where's all the syntax stuff? I need syntax thingies. Hold on. Let me go to the Python website and see if there's a syntax page. Decorators, function method. Why in the fuck? There's like no single page about syntax. Is there just that many different kinds of syntax? Holy shit. Statements, invoking. I see the word invoking. Wait, what do you mean by ask for input? How do I do that? How do I do that? Like, I made the way. How do I do that though? How do I do that though? I don't know what the thing is to type are. Python user input? Okay. Okay. Python allows for user input. See, I would not have done that. Okay, so you have to put input and then a bracket? Use Google. Can I use ChatGPT? I heard a lot of coding people use ChatGPT from my friend who took the class with me. If I put the word input, right? What's the difference between raw input and input? Is it a mess? Well, damn. I feel like no matter how much I Google, I don't understand what it's trying to tell me. Input just in brackets? Okay, wait. You said x equals input. Input what? Input what though? Do I have to like bracket it with something? I feel like I should. Anyhow, or is it Neho? Which one is it? I feel like I shouldn't put this first, but I have to make it say something, right? Then I have to use print. Is it quotations or without the quotations? I'm not gonna lie, I don't really remember if it's with or without. Insert text here. Will that actually work though? How many times do I have to write the word print? Just copy and paste the word and print. It's still running a thing. What do I put for the X bit? Could you see? Type a number? I typed one. Oh wait, I input the number. That's kinda crazy. It's expecting me to type. I understand. Okay, we're going places. We're going places. Okay, if I type the thing. So like... If I type a thing... I don't know. English hard. English hard. Okay, so like... Oh, thank you. What's this? Ah, cool. Thank you. I got food for free. My sister came in and just gave me some food. And it looks real cute. And it's hot as fuck. Okay, wait. So, if I print... Let me finish my thought process. Okay. What is thy name? Oh, I need the quotations. Right? What is thy name? And I input this, then I can make it print another thing. Right? Which is like... Hello. And then the X, right? Can I just put the X in there like that? Will it do the thing? I feel like it won't do the thing. I feel like it might not do the thing. I feel like I have to add quotations or some shit. I feel like the X isn't gonna work right. X outside the quotes? That's what I thought. Do I have to put the plus? Isn't it gonna have the plus in it? That's gonna look weird. Wait, let me try. Oh, never mind. It didn't work. I guess I do need the plus. Why do I need the plus? That's so stupid. In there. Me. I need a space here. Because grammar is important, guys. Tenchi. I made Python do uwu speak. Okay, I'm learning things. Append? Wait, so it's not plus. It's not a number plus a number? That's crazy. Okay, I'm learning things. Okay, I learned how to code, guys. Oh my god, so this is what coding people do on a regular basis? I see. Okay. Hey, it's fun when I do it with you guys, but there's no way I would do this on my own. I think it's a different kind of vibe, you know? Okay, well, we did it. We did it. Oh god, this is so hot. I want to eat it, but it's so hot. Hot! I want to eat! I want to eat! Basic conversion, like kilograms to pounds. Okay, first I need to know how to convert from kilograms to pounds. How to convert kilograms into pounds. Is there like a math thing? Multiply by 2.2? 1 kg is 2.2. Okay, that's what I needed to know. What should I type in the first bit? Usually it's from pounds to kilograms that I need, because I go in kilograms, and so if I'm given a pound, I don't know how many pounds is a kilogram. So let's do like what should I even ask myself? I feel like I'm stuck with the asking. I know it's important, because I feel like if I don't get asked right, then I'm not gonna know what to type. How many pounds? Enter pounds? I think enter pounds would be easier. Weight and... You know, I'll do weight. I think weight. There. There we go. I think that's a pretty good one. You can skip the print function. I can? Don't burn it. You'll need it for other things. But... So... How do I make it say, like, the input times whatever the amount is whatever kilograms? How do I make it say that? How do I make it say that? That would mean... Oh, fuck. Blech. X2... Wait, X times 2.2? There are so many ways to do this. Why the fuck is there so many ways to do this one thing? Okay, so... I don't have to put the input thing. Do I? Assign a new variable, reassign X, or just do the calculation inside the print function. Divide by 2.2 to get kilograms. I love that everyone said multiply. Is it because I said multiply? I thought it was multiply. Oh no, if it was the other way around, then yes. You do need to divide, because usually pounds is the bigger number. So, it'd be a slash, I think? Like this thing, right? So what if... Like... Do I even need the input any... What do I do with the input thing? I need to enter the number somehow, right? X divided by 2.2. Okay. I need to leave this here. Input type, enter the number. So I can leave this. Do I need this? I think I do need this. If I don't want it to print it. And let me finish eating. I need the second print. Okay. I'm numbing. X multiply, no, divided by. Why is it different colors? Will that work? I don't know, like 100? It didn't work! Wait, what's the error? So divided, is this not right? What if I space it? Will that change anything? No. How do I make it divide? Do I have to put this in it? Wait, where's my food? Brain isn't worry. Oh, you do need like logic for this, which is what I don't have. There's a difference between a character and a variable. Okay. I'm nomming. Int? What's the int? What if I just make a new thing? Can I just make a new thing? Can I just do that? And then in the print thing after that, can I just type it in like this? Would that not make it easier? That's how people do like normal math, isn't it? Isn't this how people do normal math? It converts it into an integer. Like here? Like what I put in the bracket? Wait, so how do I make whatever I type in the bracket multiply by 2? I mean, divide by point... Wait, divide by 2.2. So I need to turn this into a number like that? Why is it blue? Int? Oh, you mean like not the X bit. Like here? There's some funky... Let me type... Oh! Whatever's in there, and then divide that by 2.2. This makes sense! But I don't want it to divide yet. Do I want it to divide yet? Because it'll divide whatever I type in right away. Is that what I want? Outside the bracket. There. Will that work? Nothing happened! Oh. Like that? Oh, no, it actually just printed X. I forgot that you don't need the quotations for that. There we go. We mathed! This took a collective effort of everyone in chat. We did it! pachi, 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 pachi. This is what you people do all day. I see. Yeah, now I can make this fancy. Oh, hold on. Ew. Mm-hmm. Mm. Can I make it say the thing? Can I put KG at the end of it? Will that run properly? Oh, it won't. But if I put it in quotation marks, will it run then? It won't. It won't run it. There. Nope. I added the plus and it didn't do anything. It said it was wrong. See? Nande. Nande down. Can I put it in a different bracket? If I put it in a different bracket, will it show up? I want to see if it'll show up. It won't show up! That's crazy. It's in a completely different bracket. The fuck? Why did that take so much effort? That one took so much effort. Why just adding the KG at the end so much effort? I don't understand the string stuff, I'm not gonna lie. The word string means nothing to me. Like, it literally does not mean anything to me. I just feel like it means a line, but I don't know if that's true. Hey, what else to code? We did the one thing that I wanted to do, or like one of the things I wanted to do. Okay, wait. Let's do the other one that I want. Fahrenheit to Celsius. Celsius is. Wait, what? What's the formula? Celsius is Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 divided by 9. Hold on, I'm just gonna copy this and paste it here. Okay, so that's what I need. This is what I need. So I would type Fahrenheit. Gotta at least be able to spell the word Fahrenheit. I don't think there's a G in it, is there? Fahrenheit. Flower. Fahrenheit. A pound? Do you call it pound or hashtag? Oh, that makes it great. Okay, good. Thank you. You say pound? Is it pound or hashtag? I say pound. I've always said pound. Shift 3. Why shift 3? It's pound? Okay. Strings. Yeah, but everybody knows what I'm doing. That's true. Everyone does know what symbol you're talking about. I feel like if I was talking to the younger generations, No one would understand what I said if I said pound, but if I say it's a hashtag, then it looks right. Or if I just like throw up 2 peace signs and overlap them, they know what I'm talking about. And then it looks like I'm throwing up gang signs. Yeah, the number sign, yes. Before X and Y were used, yes. It's a Twitter thing. It was actually an Instagram thing too. They do have their own symbol, which is why I think it makes no sense because they still use the word pound for it. Okay, I have to delete this. So X Fahrenheit. I have to do the math in here. So it means Celsius is whatever I put in, which is this number. Hold on, I'm just gonna like. I have to put the input, right? Is that what I did before? Input whatever this is. Minus 32? Like that? Oh god, there's gonna be so many brackets though. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of brackets. Like bracket? Because it has to be, this has to be done first, I think. Yeah, this has to be a bracket. And then you multiply it by 5 divided by 9? I think that's how you close it. That's one on its own, and then this is one on its own, and then there's one here. Okay. So that means... Would that work? Nope. Wait, what? What do I need? What's this mean? I just copied the formula. I feel like I wasn't supposed to do that, but okay. Wait, then what do you call it, Noah? Ah. You know, C++ did have more brackets now that I think about it. Oh, do I have an extra one? There. No, that was meant to be there. This one. Try 80. Huh? Nani? Is it because I put the bracket? Did I put too many brackets? Again? Without the string? Okay. Yeah, I know, they feel weird, don't they? There's one here. This has to be there. This and this one. I don't think this needs to be here. Does it? I guess for the integer input thing, that needs to be there. Do I need this one? That's 3 brackets. That's a lot of brackets. There are a lot of brackets, which I'm getting confused. Math hard. They need to ask ChatGPT. I was told Python was one of the easiest things to code. Like everything? But then the math would be wrong. Because the input and the 32 have to be together. Like that math has to be done first. Otherwise, wouldn't the math be wrong? Because if you do it like that, if you do the map did it, then 32 would multiply by 5 divided by 9 first. And not be subtracted by 32 first. An additional bracket around everything like these? That's a lot of brackets. Oh crap. No? Nani? So it's not this. It's never enough. Are we just getting math wrong? I feel like we're just getting math wrong. So this one... Can I just retype this? I'm giving up. Isn't that what I have? I swear that's what I wrote! I swear! Can I just copy and paste it? Hey daddy! You're collectively wrong. I like how everyone struggles. Math goes here. That's what I like, guys. That's what I did. This is funny. Because in the end, I'm not the one coding this. It's you. I mean, I could try. I know math is bad. This is why I hate math. Okay. So I need to put a bracket here is what you mean. Right? But then it doesn't have a bracket to end it. And I like to just put it x equals... Let's delete all this. Like that. Oh, I do need a bracket there. And then on line 3, do the math. Okay. This was the math. So... I just copy this. This is where the math is, right? I'm gonna put brackets around this just in case. Okay, that's what the math would be. I don't know if this is gonna work though. Yeah, I don't... Oh wait, it has to be a multiplier thingy, the asterisk thing. Okay. Now will it work? No, it won't work. Do I need like the string thing again? But a x equals at the start? Oh! So many x's. Well, that... I don't think that's gonna work. Does that have to be a different one? Maybe we can make it y? Do I need to put bracket in that? Will that work? Nope. This has to be an x. No! Oh, do I need a string on this x? I feel like I'm just typing words I don't actually understand. Nothing's working. Nande. I put the string on the bottom one. Why is the one in the middle not working? Nande. Why is the middle one not working? Nande, nande. Nande, nande, nande. Why you no work? Is there too many? No? Is it too many? Oh, there's one too many there. Okay. There. There we go. Will that work now? No? Will it work now? That took so much effort. Why did that take so long? That took so long. Why? I did get lost in bracket sauce. Goddamn. In the complicated, elegant way. Nah, we're not doing elegant today. Okay, well. Now I know how to code it. Fuck yeah. I am proud. Look at me go. I wish I could run this, damn it. Like, on a regular basis. If I was in school, okay, and I was in class, I wish instead of writing this out, I could actually run it, you know? Because when I was in school, we had to do it like pen and paper. And then my teacher would just tell me, oh yeah, you did it right, you did it wrong. We wouldn't actually like get the error code to tell us what we did right or wrong unless it's our teacher. So, you know. And then I actually have a computer to run it. Exactly, it's not helpful at all. I mean, it was C++ too. So the only thing that I knew was just make sure you add the semicolon at the end. Add the semicolon at the end. That's all I remember. No, I did have a computer. It's just when we were taught it. Like, say we were in class and my teacher had like this PowerPoint slide up in front of us. She would tell us like, this is what you have to do. This is what you write. The syntax for that. Syntax for this. And then she would give us like time. Like, she would give this little assignment or like question puzzle thingy on the board and would be like, write a code for this situation. And then we'd have to write it with pen and paper. And then give it to her so she could mark it. It was like a quiz. So then when we finally like made our own codes and stuff, we would have the computer, like a PC to do it with. It's just, for the sake of learning it, we wrote it down. Yeah, it was weird. It's kind of like learning music theory, you know? Like, you sit there like with a textbook of sorts with a bunch of notes. Like, you see like C, D, E, F, G. And then you have to figure out like what chords go with what note, you know? It's stupid. It's kind of like that. I think it feels the same way. Like, you have to just hear the note in your head and pray that it's right. Yeah, my entire like coding history was basically written code. It was never really typing code. Okay, anyway, we have a nice looking... Oh shit, never mind, it's not nice looking anymore. Code for Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now, what else is what's the other one that I wanted to do? There's another one that I wanted to do. You guys remember? Fuck, I would... You know, there's one thing that I refuse to code. Okay, I'm only gonna mention this now. The one thing I refuse to code is a fucking traffic light intersection. That was my final exam question. And I refused to ever code it ever again. No, That'll never happen. I refuse. That's some PTSD. Whoever codes traffic lanes, I applaud you. Okay, so the thing, you know, let's make a gacha. Can I start simple? Like one to 6, dice roll. Can we just dice roll, like generate random number? Can I just generate? How do you generate a random number between 1 and 6? It has to be equal or greater than, less than, right? I have to use that. I think. Import random? What do you mean import random? The fuck? Like, yeah, do I actually type import random? I don't think that's it. I don't think that's it. Oh, important. Like, I don't think that's it. Is that it? That's it. I don't think it's doing it. Map, no, don't make it feel like work. Okay, but how do I make it between, you know, a certain number? This is it. Library of... Oh. Hi, Dee. Hello. Random integer? Is that what you're trying to say? Huh? Huh? What? How? Nani? Okay, wait. Do I need to do this on a separate line? Oh, wait, you want me to print this? 1 in 100? Not that many. Let's do 1 in 6. I got 5 like 3 times in a row. I did it though! Hey, I don't know what this means, but I did it. Cool. Technically, I didn't do it. Okay, wait. So if this is the random thing, what happens if I delete this bit on top? Will it do anything? Will that change anything? Oh, it does change things. I guess it doesn't let you do random numbers without it. Oh. I need it. That's flunky. Random numbers in computers are not really random? Oh. This is why I don't trust gachas. It won't know where to get random without that? Okay. So if how do you do gacha? How does one gacha? I'd have to make it gacha something. Or can I like do a slot machine thing? I remember doing that when I was in high school, where it would roll 7... Not 7, but it would roll 3 different numbers from 1 to 9. I know I only played them, but that doesn't mean I trust them. Yeah, so like, it would generate a number 3 times, basically. Do I just have to print this 3 times? Would that work? Oh shit! I didn't think that would work! I guess it's an easy way to do it. Will I ever get 3 of the same number? Please? I got 2. I got 2 5s. 4, 5, 6? No. If I make it between 1 and 9. Guys, is this how gambling works? Why go to a gambling place when you can just do it on your computer? I feel like I can win this. I'll get a 7. I believe. Say there's a 7. Guys, please. My gacha luck is insane. It should be streamer luck. I get 2 1s all the time. 2 7s? Okay. 2 6s. 2 1s. God damn it. Will I never get a 777? 8 4 4. Okay, because I know this is free, I can keep doing it. But if it was not free, then I would not keep doing this. If all the numbers are the same, you print out you won. How do I do that? Don't I need the if statement? I would have to make like X, Y, Z, and then if X, Y, and Z are the same. I just don't forget. I forgot how to use if statements in this. Else if? Yeah, I know that. Can I do if 2 numbers are the same instead of 3? Yeah, you'd have to assign an X, Y, and a Z, but I don't really know how to do that with the print thing. Because print means it shows down here, right? Basically, is what I've understood. Something inside... What kind of brackets are those? Yeah, we need to do them separately. Bad, mid, good. Okay, wait. Let me... How do I make this X? Yeah, I need to focus on the logic first. Back to X equals input. But I'm not inputting anything. I'm not inputting anything, though. I just need to make each single line here correspond to a letter. So... I guess it'd have to be before the print. Can I do that? Will this still work if I do it like this? X, Y, Z? Will that work? I feel like that won't work. That's not gonna work. I feel like the print thing is screwing me over. Can I just delete all that first? It's too many words. Brain cannot comprehend that. Okay, wait, give me a second. Okay, wait. So if I need each of these things to equal this thing, doesn't that mean I need a bracket out here? Print after the if test. Yeah. But does this work? Will this work? It, like, just this bit. I mean, just this math. Will it work? That alone will work. This should work? Okay, that's what I needed. Okay. Which equals... that? Can I type the print here? I have to type the U1 bit, right? I guess I can't type it there. Damn. Separate line? Tab? Why do I have to use a tab? Press tab before the print. Like that. I don't understand the difference between the 2 equal signs and the 1 equal sign. So you need 2 equal signs? That's crazy. Does it not read it? Okay, so like... Do I just need to write and? Do I just need to write and? Like y equals z and then z equals x? Do I need to do that? That's so stupid. Okay, so like... Okay. There. Invalid syntax. Pain. Why can't they do it all at the same time? Colon at the end. What? Why? Oh, I didn't win. I don't think I won. Oh wait, can I shrink this? What if I made it 2? I'm winning! I made it easier to win. At least I won. At least I won. Okay, that makes me happy. So this is how gacha games are made. I see. Tokka. I see, I see. I see. Is there like a else if or just else? Be like you lose? Can I do that? I'd have to do this but the opposite. Or is it just else if? Can I just do L? The L if? L if is else if, right? Do I have to put print as well? Next to this? Else? Else or else if? Not indented? To use else there? Okay. Just gonna copy exactly what this says and then there. What? Invalid syntax, you say? Indent sensitive. Semicolon? Where? Like here? Why do I need the semicolon there? I didn't need it here. Use when there's another comparison. Else it's just that doesn't match the rest. Oh, I see. I need to put it here? Or like here. No, I'll just try it. I guess I need it here? Wait, I won it though. Oh shit! Guys, I did it! Oh shit! I made a gacha machine. That's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I feel smart. I feel smart. I understand logic. I'm closing my Cheetos before I eat anymore. That's crazy. I made a gacha machine. Whoa. Okay, wait, what else do people code? What else do people code? I feel smart. Look, the code is getting longer. It used to be 3 lines, now it's 8. I feel smart. We're doing more complicated code eventually. Rock, paper, scissors? Wait, that's actually kind of cool. How does one do a rock, paper, scissors? That's basically 3 different things. Oh wait, no, that's way too long. There's a lot of if statements. That is a lot of if and else if. Yeah, there's a lot of ifs. That is a lot. Fuck, that's a lot of ifs. I'm like, because rock beats paper, paper beats. No, wait. Paper beats rock, rock beats scissors, scissors beats paper. That's like 3 to 4 different combinations. That's a lot of ifs. But what happens if you both like roll the same thing? Then it's a tie. You have to put that in too. Because then it's nullified. What's a list? Hi, Rio. I'm making a thing. Am I thinking like a coder? Is this what people think about every day? Damn, you guys have different brains. Yes, I did. So wait, what's a list? How Google? Unless you guys can tell me. What's a list? Result equals to... So they just like... Hmm? That's not helping. So does it turn a Wait, it turns a word into a number? Nope. Still not getting it. Still not getting it. Nope. A word to a number value. Okay. Okay. Something like that? I see. You know what, man? If I had a course, it would take the fun out of this. I feel like it's more fun struggling and trying to understand what chat says. I think it's more fun this way. Even though it's more frustrating, it's more fun this way. Okay, so you just... Do I need to use a list? Like, is this even necessary? Can I just type in like if this, if that? You know? No, I do not plan on using this knowledge now. I'm not planning on getting a job in coding. Information numbered list. So... That kind of makes sense. My brain's kind of getting it. Can I just copy and paste like an example thing? It's a different kind of bracket too. 9 ifs or a 3 list? Your choice? Oh god. Understand when it gives you the data associated with the number. Okay, wait, let me... Where does one start? Where does one start? I'd have to input like a rock, paper, or scissor, right? We have to start from there? I have to input something. Right. Can we start from... Can we go there? Can we start from there? So I don't get lost? It was start at 0, not 1? That's so weird! Yeah. Okay. Wait, so I still need the input thingy that I had before. Was it an X? Pretty sure it was an X, right? And then it was a bracket. So I put in a thing. After putting in the thing, then what? What do I even put? I'd have to type in rock, paper, or scissors, right? Like, it'd have to be a word. But then how do I turn that word into a number? Am I supposed to turn it into a number? Huh? Where do I go from here? Now I'm stuck again. I think rock, paper, scissors is too complicated. It's too complicated for a baby like me. I need something simpler. I need something way simpler. Can I do it? I swear to God, by the time we finish this code, it's gonna be like 2 hours later. Flipping a coin. I think I did something similar like that when I was in high school. Steps that a real rock, paper, scissors thing would take. I'd have to pick either rock, paper, or scissors. That's what this input is, right? I'd pick rock, paper, or scissors. So I have to input that. How do I make the input decide yes or no? Decide win or not? Because then... I don't know how to math this. Nope, brain stuck. On that step? Wait, which step? So, yeah, opponent has to pick theirs. How do I make them pick it? It'd have to be a random number. Oh, wait. What did I type in before? I'm stealing this. It'd be... Does it have to be a number? No, it was the... Can it not be a number? Can it be a word? Wait, let me read. Hold up, give me a second. I'm trying to understand. Give me... Come on. X equals 1. The figure that this is the... That's what I was thinking. It's just I don't really know how to type that. I feel like 1 to 3 would be easier for me. Don't be panic. I tried. Player to put out RD or S? EP? EP? Wait. I wanna sit comfy. Okay, wait. So I put in a number. Can I put in a word? I'd like to put in a word. I think words will help. I think the numbers are screwing me over. I don't like numbers. Number hard. Does it have to be a number? I assume it has to be a number. I think my issue is I don't know what I'm inputting. Am I inputting a number or a word? And then... this thing comes out. But I don't know if it should be an X. Can I make it a Y? Then I know it's a different number. Okay, so I have a number. Opponent has a number. Now what do we do? Think in English? Is code not English? You know, I actually kind of wonder if you like... If you speak a different language... Like, you don't speak English, for example. Like, say you speak Chinese or something. Would you still have to write code with English? Like, do you still have to do the import random thing? Or... is it, like... not in English? Yesn't? For the most part. Some places don't. Oh! Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, do they? That's pretty cool. Ah. So I guess this is how some people who don't speak English learn English. That actually makes a lot of sense. That does make a lot of sense. I just don't really know how you would explain this to someone who doesn't speak English. Like, integers, variables... You know, like, how would you even explain that? That's kind of interesting. You can code in Spanish? That's pretty cool. Wait, I'm getting sidetracked. My bad. This is what happens when I try and learn things. Okay, wait. So I have number, opponent has number. Can it, instead of it being a number, can it be words? I feel like using words is gonna be easier for me. Okay, wait. Do I need the X equals? If I want to put in a word... what happens then? Oh. I just want to see if this will work. Okay, so that's basic. That will work. Esoteric languages. Ones written 100% emoji. Wait, is that what the fancy, like, Discord words are? Like, you know the fancy Discord fonts? Is that what they are? Raziel, thank you for speaking in my language. This helps a lot. That helps a lot. Will it print the same number that I did? No. Okay, that's good. I wanted to print the random number. Oh wait, okay. So it's printing random number between 1 and 3. So... then... now I have to think... of the actual game bit. So how does the list work again? I'm still wrapping my head around it. How do I make... can it, instead of it being an integer of 1 and 3, can I just make it be like different words? Like the rock, paper, scissors? Like 3 different words? Is that possible? I just don't know what I can and cannot do. I feel like that's what's bottlenecking me. Is I have an idea, but I don't know how to do it. Your last comment. Random... oh! So what's this do? And I assume that this square bracket is the list part? Is that what it is? Oh, there's too many Y's. What's the choice mean? Does that mean it'll just pick a random one? In the list? Do I need this import random still? I assume I do if this random is still there. Oh crap. Let's pick one. Oh, it won't print. I want to see what it picks. Ah! Okay. I see. This is what a list looks like. This be the list. Okay. Okay. At least I know what it picks. I don't know how to. Can I type in a word? Do I have to like? Oh, it doesn't have to be a word. I mean, it doesn't have to be a number. I thought it had to be a number because I always assume like X. At least in math, when I did algebra in school, obviously any letter could be a number. It's like an unknown number. Scissors. How do I spell scissors? The two S's? I know how to spell. Wait, I won that one. I just have to make it know that I won it. So now is it the if statement time? The variable like X can be just about anything. I think that's what's scary. It's like it can be anything, dude. It can be like anything, anything. It could be a word. It could be a number. It could probably be another like string of sorts. Replace it for whatever number X is. But the thing is, it doesn't even have to be a number. Player choice? Wait, you can do that? What do I name this? Opponent choice? Can I like make this shorter? I can probably make it shorter. Wreck. Look, wait, no, I won. Okay, phew. That's pretty cool. Now I'm making fancy code. Ooh. Okay, wait. So we have my input. We have opponent input. Now I need to make it show whether I win or not. So how do I do that? Yeah, I needed to acknowledge my win. How do I make it acknowledge my win? Is it the equal signs? If. We need to do if. Time to if. Okay. Hi, Kyle. We got a gacha now. Okay, wait. So, how do we... This is the tough part. This is the part that I didn't really want to do. But we're here now. And I don't want to stop midway. Okay, so how do I if this? If... Let me just type the word if. The gacha combat system. I can do this. I can do this. It will be a lot of ifs. I don't know how to use lists properly. How do you compare them in real life? Okay, so wait, let me type this down. So rock will beat scissors. Can I just do R and S's? Let me do R and S's. Rock will beat scissors. Scissors will beat paper. And then paper will beat rock. Okay, I just need to write that down. That's how it would do. It would do the thing. That's the game, right? Wait. If player equals rock and if player equals paper print. That makes a lot of sense. Okay. That's a lot of if. That's only 3. I think. 4? No, that's 3 if statements. At the moment. Every single damn combination. Is there a way to shorten that? Hi, J-Lag. And 1 for if they tie. Oh. Make 1 if they tie. Okay. Okay. I don't know how to use the list though. Not the right way, I feel like. No, we're not doing anything advanced. Please make this as easy as possible. Wait, 1 for tie. 3 for win. 1 at the end for loss? Oh. And 1 for a loss. Okay. I can do this. No more list? Oh god, we're just ifing. We're just gonna if. So many ifs. No. God damn it. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, we'll go one at a time. We'll go one at a time. God damn it. You have? So this is normal. Make it easy. Make it easy for me. Don't overcomplicate it for someone like me. Please, you know how bad this is. You can already tell how bad this is if I struggled with a calculator. Okay, so first one, rock has to beat paper. We're gonna do all the winning ones first. I feel like that'll make it easy. Okay. Yeah, making it work is priority right now. I just need to make it work. Yeah, I don't care if it's pretty or not. I just need to make this work. I need this to work. That is true. I just need to make one if statement, and if that statement works, then it's fine. Okay, so I need to add that. Oh, it fills it out for me. This is such a generous program. What the heck? When I did C++, it was all black and white. You had to type everything yourself. You would never be able to see anything in between it without the colors. Okay, if what I put in is what now? Rock? Should I put rock? I have to put the equal? Hi, Drake. It's we're getting there. I'm on line number 7. I think. Oh boy. Ow, load. Do I have to put 2 equal signs or 1 equal sign? Compares? Like that? Two? Okay. That, I think... Is it 1 or 2? I feel like it... Like that? Is that it? And? Wait. It's so weird that it fills it out for you! I'm not used to that! Okay. What's the other one? It doesn't make a distinction? That's weird. What the fuck? I feel like some do, actually. So this is weird. How do I spell scissors? Scissors! Well, you don't actually type very much when you code, do you? You just like type a letter and then it types it out for you. You don't need a fast typing speed to be a person who codes. That's crazy. I always thought you had to have like... You know, on TV, they go like... You know? And they just like do a bunch of shit. Wow. I've been lied to my entire life. Now I know. Thinking about how to do complicated thing. It's so... God damn. I really have been lied to my entire life. That ain't fair. Maybe there's like some genius out there who actually does think that fast and is able to type it out. You know? Maybe he exists out there somewhere. There has to be some genius coder out there, right? It does kind of disappoint. Fixing errors from failing. I bet if you have like a long piece of code, it would be... You'd get a lot of errors, right? Like, I can't imagine it would all just work magically. That's crazy. I feel... What's the word? Deceived. It really feels like everyone's just, at least on TV, I mean, deceived me. Copy paste per minute. What the fuck? Debugging errors? Is this what bugs are? It's just errors in codes? If I can make it give a different error message, that's a huge win. Do you just expect your codes not to run? That is crazy. Oh my god. 80% of needs are met with 20% of the code, and then you have the remaining 20% to figure out. Oh my god. That's so funny. This is your entire job? Wait. This is your entire job? It's just you find errors in something that you've made? That's crazy. If your code runs the first time, you must have done something wrong? No. You think you... What? I've seen Hello World come back with an error. I have too. I did today. Yeah, I saw the error code today. You make the errors and get paid to find them. True. I mean, doesn't the code tell you though at the bottom? It'll tell you, right? At least you got told. When I did C++, we weren't told. That's not fair. Man. Okay. Let me get back to this code. I need help. Okay. Wait, I can do this. I can do this. If... Man, I play games all the time. I should be able to figure this out. I'm kinda disappointed in myself that I can't figure this out. Yeah, this is gonna take time. I'm glad this code that I'm trying to make isn't gonna be that long. Or at least I pray it's not gonna be that long. Okay, if that and then opponent choice is that... Do I have to do the thing and then the print thing? Is this how I do it? Man, it's gonna look so messy. Am on right track. I'm learning. I'm learning. Okay. Did I do that right though? Okay, I'll try. All code looks... Wait, all good code looks messy as hell? Okay. Then I don't feel as bad. Okay, I need the bracket. It's a U1 situation? Okay. So this will run, right? This is fine? Is this fine? This better be fine. You get it right once and copy paste? Okay, I'm gonna... Will this run? If I just keep clicking rock. Nope, that ain't it. I needed to say it's scissors. Oh, there we go! Yay! I did it! Okay, so this... We got the first one. The first situation has been met. Now I'm good. I really just have to copy and paste everything. That's crazy! Hey, can I make it print better though? Can I make it print better? It looks so ugly. It looks so icky. No, I'll figure it out when I finish everything. Alright, let me just copy and paste this again. Oh god. Hi Tom! How you doing? Alright, so if I need rock... Okay, so this one's done. Scissors? How do you spell scissors again? Scissors, and this one is... Paper? Did I win? Yes, okay. All the winning statements first. And then if this one is paper and this one is rock, then I win. Okay, so we have all the winning statements. Now I need the losing statements. So it's just the opposite. Right? Right. I have to flip it. Don't I? All the losing ones? Or is there a different way to do it? Oh wait, what do I have to make one if they tie? Can I just do this? Is it 2 equals or 1 equal? 1 equal or 2 equals? I still don't know the difference. I'm not gonna lie. 2 equal signs? Can someone tell me again the difference? Like, I'm sorry, I don't remember. 1 for assignment, 2 for comparison. Oh, right. Okay. Okay. I see. So if I set, like, x equals 1, that turns x into 1, right? But in this case, if it's rock and then rock, it's just saying that it's looking at the 2 different variables instead of saying the player choice is the opponent choice at the same time. This makes sense to me now. Okay. I'm getting it, guys. I'm learning. I am learning. Okay. I put this there. And then print. It's a tie? Question mark? Okay. That should work, right? I'm just gonna try it. I'll just keep typing. Oh, wait, it worked! Oh, shit. Guys, I did it! Okay. So I have a tie one. Now I need to do the lost one. So I can just copy all this and flip it, right? I feel like that's the easiest way. Is this what the real world is like? There's too many things to write. Think about what, Nazu? I'm learning Python. I'm doing it, guys. This is probably like a baby work for some of you. If you didn't win and it's not a loss, that means all the rest are losses. Yes. So is it like else if? Is this an else if time? You didn't win and it's not a tie. Yeah. Oh, is it an else time? Am I elsing now? Do I have to do on a separate line? So if? So more ifs. Damn, that's a lot of ifs. Wait, so now what? Hi, Junkin! How you doing? How you doing? Subroutine? What now? It's great for scripts? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying. Kinda. No, but I wanna know what you meant, Nazu! I wanna learn! You gotta tell me. How do I did the else thing, but I don't know how to make it work. Can I just else and then print? Can I just do that? Will that not work? I feel like that would work. Because if anything else, would it not just be you lose? Right? You have a guide? No. Chat is my guide. I tell them what I want to do and they help me do it. Okay. Rock. Rock is safe. Oh. Damn, it didn't work. Sag. I'll just print it. We're getting there. We're getting there. I need to find out what to put here then. What do I put in there? Yes, you are like ChatGPT. It is a Janken game. Janken bump. Huh? Oh. Man, and then I have to flip all the ifs. I don't want to do that. How do I make this all combine together? I don't want to have to do all that work and then be for nothing if I can just squish it all together. Else is specifically tied to an if. So if I just put all of that here, will it work? Oh, I just have to make this else if? Oh crap. What did I just do? Hey! Like here? Like that? Just all the L ifs? Is that what you mean? This one. Oh crap, wait. Why is this tabbed in twice? Can I make it not tabbed in twice? Oh well. This is it. Eh. I need to see the lose. Wait. There. I'm gonna keep pulling out my rocks. There we go. Wait, did I actually lose? I did. Oh my god. I did it! Guys, we did it! Someone said it was gonna be 20 lines. 20 to 30 lines. It wasn't 20 to 30 lines. What you talking about? Nah, bruh. Wait, I did it! Oh my god. Wait, let me try this again. I did it! Ooh! I do need to know my ifs. This was good. This was good. This was good. Yeah, I learned how to use ifs. I successfully lost. Mission failed successfully. Wait, let me win once. I want to win. How do I win? I want to win. Let me win. Why won't it let me win? It will never let me win. Is my RNG just that bad? It will never let me win. Is something preventing it from letting me win? Did I code it that way? Ain't no way. Fucking finally. Okay, I just have bad luck. Okay, I did it. I fucking did it. Guys, this is what it feels like to be a nerd. Man. That was a lot. Can I make it look pretty now? Can I just make it look pretty now? Because this looks terrible. Okay, wait. Input. This thing. Can I make it say a thing first? Can I make it tell me to put the thing out? How do I do that? I just want to make it simple. There. Will that work if it's the opponent one? No, it won't work. Do I have to make it separate lines? You put a print above it? So many prints! I love it's only like... In the end, only 3 things will print out. Or maybe 4. But... There's like a bunch of prints in here. Do I just type in player choice? Like that? I have to type in rug. Wait, what? Oh, there it is. There we go. Okay, that's what I wanted. So I just have to do that... Here? Maybe? Oh. That didn't work! Oh wait, it has to be higher. I put it in the wrong spot. There we go. Let's try scissors. I believe in the heart of the cards. Damn. Now it looks pretty! This is what I meant by I want it to look pretty. I remember doing this a lot when I used C++ back in the day. So, yeah. It's working! It's working! Okay, now it's like... What, how many lines? 20? 21. It's 21 lines. It's working! Guys, I'm so proud. I'm so proud. But sword? It still works. Somehow it still worked. I don't think it's running the right thing, but I did it. I like winning against my robot. Oh my god. This is the fanciest code that I've ever made. I'm so proud. It's 21 lines. It's 21 lines. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh my god. Why'd the sword give me a fail? But it didn't. It let me put it in. See? I mean, it makes me lose, but... it still let me put it in. Oh, you mean like why it made me lose? But why? Because it's the else thingy. Because none of the conditions were met, so I had to lose. Because he couldn't do anything else. That makes sense. It do be better than failing. At least it works. At least my code works, and I'm happy with it. I'm happy. I feel like I'm girl bossing. What's another thing that we can code? Inverse of the win condition like you on it with the first time. What would have happened? I don't know. That one I don't actually know. What would happen? Oh, then back to the... Oh. Not the looping! Not the fucking looping! I remember the looping! Because I had to make a loop before. When I did the traffic light thing, I had to make a loop. It was terrible. It was so bad. Because the traffic light had to keep going. I hated the loops. I just don't really know what situation I would need a loop. Where would you use a loop? Also, I actually kind of wonder. I mean, people type in programs for like computer stuff, you know, like websites and shit, or like I know streaming requires coding like this. But what I don't really understand is how it gets used, and are there like codes for codes? Is that a thing? Have it count to 10? How do I make it count to 10? I can make it generate a random number from 1 to 10. If you want to check to ensure someone won't put in rock, paper, scissors, and if they did not, loop back to the input. Oh! Wait, so what would I write? You can write a program to write a program for you. That is crazy. I'm surprised you can, though. Make a program that counts up from 0, up to a number that you input? Wait, does that mean I have to get rid of my beautiful rock, paper, scissors? Do I have to say goodbye to rock, paper, scissors to do the counting? Goodbye, wonderful, wonderful code. Make a new tab. What the fuck is a new... Oh. Wait, what? That's crazy. Whoa. Are you telling me text files run code? What the fuck? You can make a new tab? That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna name this counting, because you said you're gonna teach me how to count. Oh wait, no, just loopy things. You can write code on Notepad, that's crazy. Okay, how does one write loopy thingy? How do I make it count? How does one use the word loop? It's not doing anything. Text files run that. Whoa. I am learning so much today. Notepad plus plus. That's a funny name. Asking how high to count. Okay, wait. So am I supposed to type in the word loop or the word count? Neither of them pop up with anything. Nah, my syntax guide is chat. I have not actually Googled very much. Like, I have another window open that will tell me all the shit. Like, I have one on the list thing, but I didn't understand what it said. So... You guys are teaching me. I think this is more fun. How do we ask for input? Something equals input with a bracket. For and while loops. Loop just means repeating, for loop, while loop. So they're the same thing. What do you want to call the something? Boop. Let's call it boop. I don't know, what else do you call this kind of thing? So I have to input a number? For boop. Wait, actually? Loop the boop? How do I loop the boop? For loops loop once before checking conditions, while loops check this first then run. While loops loop until a specified variable is given. A predetermined number? For loops loop a predetermined number times. Predetermined number of times. While loops loop until a specified variable. Okay, I think while loops I understand more than the for. Okay, wait, can we use the while ones? I don't understand how to do it though. Okay, wait, while loops? I just want it to count from 1 to 10. How do I make this thing count from 1 to 10? Boop, can you count from 1 to 10? I need to teach this baby how to count. Think of for loops like do something for this number of times. Oh! So you're like, do this entire thing 4 times over, is what you mean. Kinda like that. While something is true, do this code. So it'll do a thing until I tell it to stop? Basically? Is that what you mean? Or like, say I want it to count to 10, it will stop until it reaches 10? I mean, it'll stop when it reaches 10? I think that's the while loop is. Am I understanding this right? Boop. Boop, can you count to 10, please? Why, see, I just ask it and it won't do it. If you make that the condition, then yes. Okay. I'll do the code forever until you give it an exit condition. I'm a chat leader. Don't make it so true! While whatever in here is still true, keep doing the thing. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. So, while... I just need it to stop at 10. How do I make it stop at 10? First, we need the range, right? Between 1 to 10. So while, I don't know, x is less than 10, it'll keep counting? Is that the thought process? Or... Yes? Am I doing this right? So while boop is less than 10, we need it to keep looping until it hits 10. Yes? Look up a simple for a while loop. Okay. Visuals. Okay. I kinda get it. I kinda get it. Okay, so, what's the first thing that I should type? Because I don't need to input anything. I just want it to count from 1 to 10. I don't actually need to input anything. Right? So... Yeah, I don't need input. I don't need input. Boop just needs to be less than... Is there like a... How do I type the... There it is. Boop has to be less than 10. While boop is less than 10? How do I make it be between a number? It needs to start from somewhere? Oh. 0? Like, boop starts from 0. Okay, and then... we need it to end at 10. So, like, a boop less than 10. That's 1 bit. And then I guess I have to loop it? While boop is less than 10? While boop less than 10. Then what? That's when it counts? And then... Can I make it print all the numbers? Or is this it? Like, what? I probably have to tab that. Oh, yeah. Fucking colons, dude. Print. Oop. Will this work? It should have zeros? Okay, wait. I needed to count the thing, though. How do I make it count the thing? Boop. Plus 1? Then. Wait, that's a lot of ones. I'm so sorry, Python. Oopsies. Make boop equals boop plus 1. Okay, wait. Print. Like that. After the print. Okay. Boop equals boop plus 1. Yeah? Oh, wait. Is that not where? Oh, that doesn't go in print? So I have to tell it to do boop. And then under it do the boop? Like that. Whoa. Wow! I did it! Oh my god. So, like, in what situation would you use this, though? You just need a bunch of random-ass numbers? It does do exactly what you want it to do. Or maybe I just wrote it wrong and it wasn't my intention and it did it. That's crazy. So what happens if I put the boop equals boop plus 1 on top of it? Will that change anything? Will it not do the right thing? Will it change it? Oh, wait. Wait, wait. It started at 1. Oh, so it added the plus 1 first. I see. That's why it started at 2. I get it now. Okay. Understood. This is making sense. I am understanding the logic of the Cody people. So, like, if I make it go backwards, would I have to, like, do this? Oh, that didn't work. Wrong symbol. There we go. Oh, wait. It didn't start at 10. Oh, I guess because of this bit. Can I... What happens if I just do this? There we go. Now it made sense. Uh-huh. I'm fixing my own code. Wait, that's crazy. Guys, I'm learning. I'm learning. I'm doing the thing. I'm doing the thing. I feel so smart right now. You don't understand. I'm thinking. Brain is going. I feel smart. Do people pick up coding this quickly? Because I hope I'm not, like... Am I over-exaggerating my success? Put an equal before the... Oh wait, is the other way? Like here? No, 10 to 0. There we go. Oh my god. Okay, I do have a question. This one may be answerable. How do I make it print the thing, but not like line by line? Can I make it go like this way? You know, so I can read it like a proper sentence instead of like a ba 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 ba. Is that a thing? People tend to work on one thing longer than me? Oh. I consider this fast. I've been learning how to code for the past, what, almost 3 hours? It's doable? Wait, how? Add to a string and then print string. Nope, nope, you lost me. What? What? Nani? What? A string variable? A string? A text variable? What? brain help! What? Nani? A string is your characters like this chat message. So it's just like the same thing in one line? Like one line is a string? Is that it? X equals X plus string and then boop. I'm just gonna copy that. Did I put it down here? Like that. And then... That didn't work. Oh wait, does it need to be like this? No. Oh, it needs to be in blue. No, that's not it. It's good to celebrate success. Yeah, I think so too. Like tab even more? Print boop. Wait. Print boop the comma. I don't know what that means. That didn't work either. Wait, X equals... Huh? What? I'm not understanding. Okay, wait, this one? This one. Okay, I don't know what the end equals is, but okay. Am I getting advice on 2 different ways to accomplish it at once? Oh god. So that's why I'm getting confused. Where do I put the quotation marks? Oh, the quotation marks here? Like that. Will it work now? Oh! Okay, but why does that work though? I don't get it. Like here? Oh shit! I get it now. Wait. So why does this work though? I'm so confused. Why does this work? Oh, the comma didn't work. Oh, wait. There. Okay. Now it works. Wait, but why does this work? End and print means what you put after boop default is a line. Oh! Okay. I see. Oh, I get it now. Okay. So now I know how loops work. That's crazy. Wait, so now what do I do? What do people do with loops? Do people make games out of loops? Or like... What do you do with the knowledge of a loop? Like... How do you use it? I don't really see a situation for a loop. for loops? Oh god, okay. Okay. How does one use a for loop? Games are loops? Wait, how are they loops? How are games loops? What? Is running animation a loop? You can make opponent can't type short in your junket game. I don't want to ruin my junket code. Games are entirely within. So you're saying that Genshin is just one big loop? Like it's just one fat loop? From like the beginning of the thing to the very end is just one fat loop? You watch videos at 60 frames per second? Yes. Every frame is computed the same way, so we need a loop that executes every 1/60th of a second. That's crazy! Whoa. 60 loops per second. That's a lot of looping. The one loop I made was like more than that. What the fuck? That's a lot of looping. Is it slow? No wonder everyone is so hyped up about different computer parts that are new, because I assume it runs these loops better. Wow. Brain is computing. Yeah, I do remember the list. I mean, to list all the words in that list, a loop would do it. Oh! City over 90, 5-star goes balls. No! You know, you're right, I do have a pretty beefy GPU. You use this you need from data analysis to counting. Oh! Huh. That's interesting. I just don't really... You wouldn't be able to use this in... What, Excel? I feel like people use Excel a lot. Counting is hard, bro. Yeah, wait, so you're telling me any drop down, like... I don't know. Oh god, that hurt my eyes. Any drop down... is... like... a whole thingy? That's crazy! Month. Also, like a calendar's a loop. That's crazy. Wow. Random numbers between 1 to 10. I already did random numbers. True. Whoa. My brain is fried. What is one... maybe like one more thing I can code. One more thing. We'll do one more thing. I need one more thing I can code. 24-hour time to 12-hour time converter. That would be nice, actually. I do like converting time. Alright, let's try a time thingy. Final boss traffic light. All hail. If you guys help me through it, then I'll do it. If you help me code the fucking traffic light, I'll do it. But if you don't, then we're just gonna do a fucking time converter instead. Cause I feel like this was a lot. That's only 3 things. Traffic light too hard, I think. Maybe next time we'll do traffic light. If in the future I can code a traffic light within a stream, then I think I never have to take C++ courses ever again. I think I would have gotten over my PTSD, you know? I'll get over the trauma of my computer engineering exams. Input the time in your zone and it computes the time for other zones. I would need to know what zone. But it would have to be between 1 and 12, right? I would need time thingy. I think time thingy is a good one. Time dates are one of the more elements of programming. Oh god, can I just do time? Can I just do 24-hour to 12-hour time? I think we should start there. Before I do any conversions, we should start with just changing the time. But I don't know how to do it. So if I get like... I don't know, like 20 o'clock. What time is that? In AM and PM? I think that'd be a good one. It's just I don't know how to do it. Where do I start? Yeah, let's start from the very beginning, as I need a time. So I need one of those like... I don't know, the input thingy, right? I need the input thingy for a time. If less than... Wait, over 12, subtract 12? Would that work? Is that it? What time is it now? It's 4 PM. You know what? I'll think in 4 PM terms, which is what? 14? No. That's 2. 16? 16. 16? This is 16. Okay, I'm gonna use 4 o'clock. Let's do 16 and 4. Easy. So... Wait, so I put time in. Is it another if statement? If time is less than 12... Or is it more than 12? If time is greater than 12? Then you... Wait, math... This... Which way is this supposed to face? If it's this way, then you subtract 12, right? So it's facing the right way. If time is less than 12, then... Do I need a then? I don't think you can do a then. It'd be English. It would be... Right! You have to add the zeros. Wouldn't you? Right! This is the weirdest thing I've ever done. Will this even work? What did I not do? Oh, do I need to do this thing? This one not right. Nanny! Input in hours or minutes? Well, hours, I would assume. Wait, what? I don't understand the error. What am I supposed to fix? Oh, I have to type in number. Like that? Will that change anything? No. That didn't work. What did Razio do? Oh god, it has to be one of these. Like that? Oh crap. It's not doing the thing. Wait, what? Where do I put that? Like here? Ah! Oh shit. We did it. That took way too long. Why do I have to do the minus equals thing? My brain is very wrinkly. I feel all my dendrites just firing right now. Wait, so why does the minus and the equal sign together work? I don't understand. わかんない。わかんない。なんでできてるの? Oh? What if I did like... Would that change anything? So it runs the same. Oh, same but longer. That's what it was. I see. That makes sense. That makes sense because it is just the same two symbols. Oh, I'm learning. I'm learning. Guys, my brain is like, you know that meme where it's like the you know, very neon blue looking brain that just has a bunch of lights shooting out of it. It's like that. Was equals to the exact... Okay, I had a feeling. Galaxy brain! That's what I feel like. That's what it feels like. Oh, I did it. Look at this long ass code. With this other code and this other cool code, I did things. I do feel the wrinkles. I can feel it on my forehead. I can feel it in my brain. I can feel it everywhere. My coding after a year? Bro, I don't know about that, bro. I mean, I'd like to know how to code fancier things. It's just, I don't know if I'm any good at it, you know? This is just like a, ooh, this is kind of cool thing. You know? Maybe next year, my end of year resolution could be to code a traffic light. I think that should be my next year's New Year's resolution, is to code a traffic light. And I'll fully get over my fear of coding ever again. I think I did it though. Today was good. We did a good job. Yeah. It is a lot of practice. Would that break the syntax? I don't know. Because then it wouldn't just be simple math anymore. If I get rid of the... Here. If I get rid of this, then it's just like 20 o'clock is 8, you know? I think that'd be the only difference. So it's not really anything special. But at least I did it. At least it worked. It don't look pretty, but at least it works. I'm surprised people would code something like this. You know, I know it's the basic stuff, but I'm just surprised. Okay, it do before. I've been here for like 3 hours of code. It's 3 hours of coding. How do you guys code for like an entire day? Why do you want to code a traffic light? Alright, okay. I assume people came in midway through the coding session, so you were not here for the early bits of the stream, which is totally fine. I'll just reiterate what happened. In high school, I took a computer engineering course, and on my final exam, it was like pen and paper exam, remember this? I saw the last pages, and it said to code a traffic light intersection. At the time, I was what, 16 years old? I think grade 11 is 16, so junior year you were like around 16 years old. At least I was 16 years old at the time. Some of you may have already been 17. I was 16, and it was like brain didn't understand the question because I didn't have my driver's license yet. I didn't even take the written test. I didn't know how to drive, like, at all. So, I didn't even, like, I wasn't able to answer the question, not because I didn't know how to code it, but because I didn't know how a traffic light worked. Specifically at, like, an intersection. Obviously, I know what green, yellow, and red means. I just didn't understand the timing for, like, the lights to change. I didn't understand that, you know? I didn't understand, okay, if you're like stopped somewhere, there's like a left turn thing, like when the light is green, you can left turn and go straight at the same time. Stuff like that. You know, I didn't know that. Or like, if the light is green, you can still turn right. It's not like a stop. It's not red. So, you know, stuff like that. Yeah, they do vary. And the teacher never specified in that question exactly how many lanes or like what kind of traffic light, basically. You know, she never said to code it from like one perspective, as in you're stopped at a light. If it's green, you go. If it's yellow, you slow down. If it's red, you stop. You know, it wasn't like that. She said it was an intersection. So that was like multiple different traffic lights that I'd have to code on paper. And I was like, So I couldn't do it. Like, I mean, like right now, of course I know. I drive now. So I understand how it works. But it was at the time taking this exam, knowing that 35% of my grade was riding on this one question, I was like... So, I hated it a ton. And that is why I think to redeem myself, I should learn how to code a traffic light. I mean, also at the time, it was C++. It wasn't Python. It was a completely different language. But I think what I would code now and what I would code then would be different. But at the very least, like, I would code it. I think that's the main thing. It's just, I wish I knew how a traffic light worked at the time, so that I could have answered the question properly. Like, I did my best. I remember writing down, like, green is go, and red is stop, and yellow is, like, slow down. And I knew from my mom driving that a yellow light is active for 3 seconds. And I knew that you had to leave like both sides of a intersection red for a certain amount of time. Like at the same time for safety reasons. I knew that. I just didn't know how to write that out, you know? Brain didn't get it that well. You know, it was my family telling me about driving that I remembered, but if I don't drive myself, I'm not gonna know how to drive. I had no interest in driving either. So it was bad. It was just really bad. And I think that one last question on my final exam scared me away from coding anything ever again. I hope that much is understandable. It was PTSD, man. No, I didn't care for driving. I mean, like, everything that I lived around was close enough that I could just take a bus or something. So, yeah. I wish at the time we could have used a computer to at least run the code and see if it worked. But unfortunately, we had to do it on paper. So, I mean, my teacher was the program to run it at the time. That is why by the end of next year, hopefully I will have coded a traffic light. Maybe I can do this again. This wasn't so bad. I can do this again. I don't mind learning how to code Python on stream again. If it means that I will get to a point that I will learn how to code a traffic light. If you guys can help me get to that point, then I'll do this again. I feel like I'm a slow learner. I just feel like I'm a slow learner. You know, I just want to redeem myself too. You still take coding exams on paper? Blech. Understandable though. You're so lucky you never had to do anything on paper. Oh my god. Yeah, I just think like if I did code this traffic light in the future, I would feel less bad about my computer engineering final. I walked into that exam with like a high 80, low 90, and left with like a mid 70. I think that was my only B that year. Whoopsies. It was bad, I'm telling you, it was bad. I barely answered that last question, and it was like a good chunk of the entire exam. So I answered all the smaller coding questions that were like half a page or maybe one full page. But this traffic light question, I was given like 2 extra pages, and I saw people take extra pages to staple onto their exam. Like they would raise their hand and ask our teacher for extra pages. I remember that. And it creeped me out so much because I was just like, how the hell do you need that many pages? It is kind of fun. I like that it's colorful. I'm glad that there's color. Yeah, color nice. C++ did not have color. It was very sad. I thought, okay, you know what? When I was in high school, I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to be one of those fancy people who like did the whole, you know, like I am smart. You know, I wanted to be one of those people. But I wasn't. I wanted to be that. But it was kind of sad that it didn't have that. I mean, it was also in school, and my school computers were not updated in any way. It had very old programs on it. And it was just very painful. There was no autofill on the thing that I worked with. Yeah, it is the editor's fault. I mean, if it was in school, and it was cheap, you know, 140. It's now 152, baby! I can type words, I just can't type code, apparently. Holmes is wasting our monies on me. Ah, Splash, thank you for the super. Wait, why? My teacher sergeant's least favorite variety of poison is insect? I don't know. I would not know. She's probably not working there anymore. I wouldn't work at that school anymore if I were her. Does it explain a lot? I would not know. Did Stream Elements change their profile picture? I swear it was not that blue before. You know what? But I still got it. Before I end the stream of coding, let me bring some words back into your life. Like proper words. My hands feel so stiff after all of that. Because I feel like I wasn't even typing words. I was like pressing keys. Ah. Wait, no. No. one thing that I can actually do. The one thing I can actually do. Pain. The one thing I can flex. I would make a great typist, I've been told. My record is 152 with 100% accuracy. If you go to my Twitter page thing, and you scroll down, you'll see that record of it. The one thing I can flex, man. But sadly, this does not apply to coding. I'm so upset it doesn't apply to coding. I thought it would. Like, I genuinely thought this would be an applicable skill. But it's not. So well. I give up, man. It was a good run. It was a good run. I choked. What if I do it like 15 seconds? Oh no. Damn, that's getting worse. I'm making mistakes. I really wish that this was, you know, applicable to coding in some way or form, but it's not. You know, there's one thing that I've always won in life, and that was arguments over text message. This is the one thing I'm very proud of, is if I am in any fight, or if I have to rant about something, or if I'm really, really heated about something, I can type it so fast that, like, no one will be able to talk back at me because I keep going. Like, if I'm angry about something, I'll just type, and then I see another person typing, and I'm like, nuh-uh, and I just send another thing. And it just keeps going. And then people give up. The same goes for, like, typing speed on my phone. I type really fast on my phone. Lots of thumb action. Yeah, I feel like that's why I learned to type really fast, is so I can get my thoughts down as fast as possible. Because I get so annoyed whenever I think of something and I cannot get it out fast enough that I forget what I was thinking about. I get really, really frustrated at myself when that happens. I think I'm done coding now. Oh my god. That was a lot. That was a lot. I can take my nerd glasses off now. Oh, guys, wait. Okay, you don't know this? Probably. I don't think you would know this. But, my new outfit has glasses on them. There do be glasses on them. And it looks really good. So I think, after my new outfit debut, I will probably use my glasses every time I feel like a nerd. Or at least that's the goal. Yeah. You're just learning? True, I am just learning. I'm gonna look like a nerd. I'm excited to look like a nerd. I do like them nerds. Nerds are fun. You know, nerds are kind of fun. Because you all just want to talk about the same thing over and over again and you don't get tired of it. It's actually very interesting to, like, hear that, you know? If anything, I'm a nerd about VTubers. I know a lot about VTubers that I wish I didn't know. There's just so many things I know. Like, I remember all the agencies, I remember a lot of VTubers' names. I remember who was in a certain agency or who wasn't and then left and then came back or stuff like that. I just know them all. Like, I know people's current lives, past lives, future lives. I just know a lot of lives. So I just know a lot about the VTubing world. There is a compliment. It is. It's not an insult. Definitely not. Okay, take it as a compliment. Because I can't imagine that learning how to code is easy. You know, I can't imagine that it would be very easy to like use this on a regular basis either. I feel like you could use it for a lot of things. As someone who does not code very often, if anything at all, I have no idea in what situation you would use code, to be honest. I like learning things. Like, I love learning languages, you know that. I like learning... Well, I need to brush up on my Korean, but I think my Japanese is good enough that I could go there and not die. I could, like, talk to people casually, probably. I think I also could brush up my Cantonese a little better, Mandarin a little better. Cantonese is actually easier for me just because my family speaks it and I can ask them anytime if I need help with anything. But Mandarin would definitely need some help. I should brush up on my Mandarin. But when it comes to coding, it's like it's literally ingrained in my job. Without code, I would not be able to do my job. So I would at least like to know a little bit on how it works. I've been told it's like involved in streaming, so yeah. The best use for coding is getting paid. At least you're maintaining most of it. See, yeah, I'm good at languages, which is why I thought I could maybe try coding, because it's a language. It's a coding language, but it's a language regardless. And since I know so many spoken languages, like I can speak Cantonese, Mandarin, Japanese, and Korean, all fine. English is my first language, but I could do the others as well. And it's understandable. I could survive in every country that speaks that language or those languages if I went there. I was like, you know what? Maybe I can tackle some coding. Maybe this is possible. But ain't no way it's possible. I feel like it's not, like... You don't learn it the same way. You know, you don't learn it the same. There's no, like, children's book to follow. Like, what kid learns how to code in Python? They don't exist, man. So it's a very different way of learning. And I'm not saying it's bad. I'm saying it's different. And I wish I could do it better. Yeah, I think if I took a course, I'd be better. But at the same time, do I want to pay for a course? No. I do not want to. You guys will be my course. How about that? You guys will be my crash course. I like it when you guys teach me things. I mean, I could sign up for a course if I wanted to. But would that do anything for me in the future? Maybe, maybe not. You did a read for the course you take? I mean, it was public school. It's free. It was free for me. It is more logic than linguistic, which is why I was just like, ah, shit. Maybe this isn't as easy as it's gonna be as I thought. Because I understood every word that was said. Like, you told me what syntax was. Or like, if. You know, if is like one of the first words babies learn. It's not as if I don't understand what word it is. It's just how to use it in a code is different than how you would use it, like, in a sentence. That's why I was confused. That's why I was so confused. So yeah, I can understand it. I mean, code is written in English with a bunch of letters and numbers, and they all make sense in some way. Like, I know what the word random is. I know how to use numbers. Everything you guys taught me today was all using English to describe exactly what I was supposed to do. So it's not as if I don't understand. I actually do understand the words, it's just I don't know how to use them. And I think that's what the logic part is thinking like a machine, but I'm not one. I mean, you know me. I like my languages. I like art. I'm more of a creative person. I follow books. I used to take health classes all the time. I was a biology and chemistry student. It was all about memorizing and being like, so this is what that looks like. This is what that other thing looks like. And I also took more like psychology stuff. I took psychology. I took sports psych. And I took a lot of like sociology type courses too. I took sports med. Took a lot of other classes actually. So I was more of that kind of a student. I was a STEM student, just not that kind of student, you know. I was a different kind of student, and it wasn't all logic based. It was mostly thinking like, if you were this person, what would you do, you know? And it wasn't math. There was not much math, to be fully honest. And I took a lot of practicals. I remember, I think I told you guys this, but there was a class where we had to like pretend we were therapists, as in like physical therapists. So I would talk like to patients and stuff and get graded on how well I talked to them, like hypothetically. So I would treat my friends in the class as if they were patients, and we would be assigned like a certain task or something to teach or to do physical therapy on, or you know, just stuff. And I would be graded on how well I interacted with quote unquote patient, or if I prescribed the right thing, stuff like that. So it was all based on my actions and like physical actions, not so much like what I typed or something. I feel like coding could be a very lonely job. Like, how do you make friends if you're on your computer and you're typing all day, and I guess you're also sipping caffeine, but how do you, like, do you have coworkers? I assume you would if you're working for a company and you're coding for a company. I don't know what you would code, but like, I assume you would code something for them. Like, how do you make friends? I mean, I assume most of these computer jobs can be done at home because it's like you use your computer, right? So like, how do you make friends? What do you mean it's personal? Discord? I see a lot of Discord. Hi, Cookie! I need to DM you. Oh my god. I swear to fucking god, I'll DM you soon. Emotional damage 100. New game? What do you mean new game? You need to make different people sadly. Oh, so you do talk to people. You just watch VTubers? Is this what the life of a computer sciencey person is like? I feel like people will get triggered. What is actually the difference again between science and engineering? I know we went through this before, but I don't remember. What is the difference? I assume the computer engineering part is like the physical stuff that you send your code to, and science is the codey stuff that I just did. You sent me one? Okay, I will check my DMs after stream. The numbers of pi 3.1459. I think there's a 3. Close enough. You only really need 3.14. Science studies, engineers actually do things. Okay, so what is the difference between a computer science major and a computer engineering major? Do you learn similar things or do you learn different things? Rounding up to 4. Why? If it's above 5, you just go up. What? Any? Don't you just do like 2 decimal points? It's just the name that's different. Okay, then what's the difference between software engineering and computer engineering? Because to me, they're the same thing. Because they're both on computers. Science is knowing what pi having infinite everything, but engineering is saying pi equals 3. No. That's crazy. The theory? Engineering is about how computer hardware, software engineering is code. Okay, so what I just did is the software engineering stuff. Because you say that's the codey thing. The software engineering code stuff that is actually useful. Like how I made a calculator. Right? And then computer engineering is like how I made a robot back in high school. That's the engineering bit. And then computer science, that one I'm a little lost on. Is that not the same thing as software? is computer science not the same thing as software engineering? What's the difference between the two? Software engineering is making software, computer engineering making computer low level like a processor. Okay, but what about computer science? Computer science study math, computer engineering actually making things? Okay, then wait. Working on computers themselves? What? Is that not what the software does? Computer science has more theoretical computers? Wait, so you're telling me computer science people study computers that don't exist and theoretically could exist but don't actually exist? So do they just find a theoretical job? Like, what? I'm so lost. What? Usually figure out the things such as we can do math, computer science, making the computer do something useful. That's what software was, though. Hi, Ariel. Softwares make apps. Is that what you're telling me? Software writes the code. The computer scientist thinks up the algorithm? Oh, God. Science has really what even is the algorithm? I know people talk about YouTube algorithm all the time, but I don't actually know what it is. You're taking intro to... Oh, cool, what? Huh. So you're telling me... So, okay. Computer science people just study what a computer is. So you're telling me they're the people that fix your computer when your internet goes down? They know everything about the settings on Windows? Is that what you're telling me? And then computer engineering people are the people who make the PC itself, and then software engineers make the programs to use on your computer? Is that it? He's not at Best Buy is mostly computer science majors. Oh! I see. In terms of decision-making logic of the software. That makes sense because that is what YouTube does. Science is innovation. Do they research computer sciencey things? You can research computers? Wouldn't you be restricted a little bit by, like, what the hardware is? That's crazy. This is the most I've learned about computers in a long time. Considering that I am a VTuber and my entire job is on the computer. This is the most I've learned about computers in forever. Software engineering talks about how to use a list. Computer science talks about how a list is saved in binary. What the fuck? Ew. Ew. At least a software engineer uses the thing. Why don't you just talk about that? Ew. I think I would like... Genuinely, I think I would like the software engineering more. Because that is what I just did, right? That seems more fun. Because I'm actually making something. If it was just computer science where I have to study math... Like, that's disgusting. I'm sorry, computer science people, but I don't think I can do that. Computer engineering wasn't bad because I actually had stuff to work with. But... I don't want to do computer science. I don't want to just study anymore. I have changed my ways. I would hate to just computer science all the time. I would like to actually make something. And I think that's what a software engineer does. Considering what you're all saying, I assume that's what they do. So, my consensus: computer science is the least fun one. And it's a theoretical thing. So it means they might not even work with things that exist yet. Computer engineering are the boring people who just tinker with stuff. And then software engineers actually have the fun job of making things. But getting things wrong a lot. Because you said you had to run error codes all the time. And change all the bugs and stuff. Only I'm reading what you said and I don't understand it. That's true. That's a computer science person's job, I think. Right? Do they get to play with power tools? I'm thinking tiny things. I assume it's bigger things then? Science, research, engineering, manufacturing. So they can make like big things? Is that what aerospace people do? I have not learned about math. No, no, not like that. And I don't think I want to. I'm gonna sit differently. Okay, there we go. Alright, it do be almost 5, and that means I have to prepare to go to dinner tonight. I actually have a really cute dinner happening tonight. Oh my god. So, tomorrow is... Not tomorrow, sorry. Tonight, I'm gonna go see my family. Last night, I went to a super fancy bistro. Had some nice French food. That was really expensive, but free for me because I didn't pay. And I took some pictures. I'll post some pictures for the Copium Domino members. Probably tonight if I remember. But I'm not gonna lie, this entire time, I have felt so sick. I feel like I have a fever. My throat isn't as bad, but I feel like I've had a fever on and off all day. So I might actually just go lie down after this. And now my brain is exploding. So I think I would just go lie down. I've felt like this for the past 3 or 4 days. I've just tried to ignore it, but I don't think I can ignore it anymore. So I think I'm gonna go lie down. I think that's a good idea. Yep, I'm just gonna go lie down. And my throat isn't feeling so sore anymore. I think I just needed to drink even more water. But the food I had last night was so good. Oh my god. I need to show you guys these pictures. So I'll post that at one point. And then on Saturday... No, today's Saturday. It's tomorrow. So tomorrow, I might not really be around because I'm going to another barbecue. And it's gonna be hot as fuck. So you can expect me to have a tan. I don't want to be outside. I want to be inside, you know? I don't want to burn. My skin is gonna die. But I have to go to this barbecue tomorrow. I'm gonna bring my own water bottle. Just in case. And I'll make sure I wear sunscreen so I don't get a sunburn. But yeah. So I might not really be around tomorrow. If I'm feeling awkward, because this is gonna be with some, like, other family members I haven't seen in a while. And I have no friends going. It's just family. So, since that's the case, I might get real bored and want to hide in a corner. So, I'll message in the Discord from time to time, probably. But yeah, tonight I do have a dinner to go to as well. It's my normal Saturday dinners. And my family will be there. I don't really know what we're having tonight, though. Let me see. My grandpa loves cooking. So, he'll ask, like, what do you want tonight? What do you want tonight? He's real sweet. Me. I think we're just having noodles again, which is fine. You know, I like noodles. So, that is what we're doing. Practice my coding. No. I think that's enough for today. Monthly coding stream? Let's go. No, maybe like once every 2 months. I think once every month is gonna make my brain explode. Yeah. So, I'll just do it. I'll just do it once in a while. I don't know, whenever you feel like it. Oh my god, Minesweeper! I finally learned how to play Minesweeper. Will I forget everything by tomorrow? I hope not. Maybe we can do another stream like this next month and see if I remember anything. That's a good test. That'll be a good test to see if I remember anything. Okay. No, I cannot code it. No daily coding stream. I refuse. I refuse. Maybe like once every month. Max once a month. Oh, I was thinking at the end of this month. Not end of this month, sorry. At the beginning of next month. English hard. At the beginning of next month. Maybe on the week of, let me look at the calendar. So not next week, but like the week after. August 5th to the 11th. That week, we could do a Teach Me Tenchi stream. I think that'd be really cute. Yeah. I think that'd be a really cute stream to do. And one of you could give me another Python one, but like a better, more condensed size one. Maybe. I think we could do a Teach Me Tenchi stream. Or I could roast your outfits again, because you know me, I like doing that. I like roasting people's outfits. But it's up to you guys. I'll ask like tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Oh, Grandpa messaged. Oh, we're having pasta tonight. I thought so. Okay. But yeah, that is it. So that was today's stream, right? Was supposed to be for the birthday donathon goals. And I can finally take that off my list. I'm so happy. Alright, learn how to code in Python is now done. Alright, so the next 2 streams that I'm gonna do for the donathon, it should be... Let me see. Oh no. 100% British Zatsu. Oh fuck. So I need to split this up. 100 British Zatsu and the no English stream obviously have to be 2 different streams. I have an IRL date to take you guys on. That one needs to be a bit more well thought out, just in case. So I'll attempt that one at another time. Probably not anytime soon, to be honest. Yeah, I don't think that's a good idea to do anytime soon. It'll take a bit of planning. I'll probably do it also when the weather is a bit cooler and my skin is a bit better. Yeah, date. We're gonna go on a date. So what's gonna happen is I will leave my model up. Well, I'll probably leave like a Fugi up. And then I'll just enter the call by myself. And you will see me in the thing. Yeah. You'll just see me in the thing. And then we'll go out together. Maybe we'll go get bubble tea and like talk or something. Yeah. That's what's gonna happen. And then, I need to draw a Tenchi model. I don't know how to draw a Tenchi model. But we're gonna draw a Tenchi model. Or at least we're gonna start drawing a Tenchi model. I might look at my new model outfit. So the ptsd file. To know how to do the different parts, I think. We also have to do a baking stream. Oh god. But most of the things have been done. At least stream wise for donathons, half of it is done. I just have another half to go. I think the posts as well. We're only missing three. It's the names on my thighs, and I cannot do that until my thighs are not eczema-y. And the 2 photo shoots, one for the tomboy outfit, one for the Lolita fashion outfit. Might have to do both at the same time. Shopping for clothes, and a scuffed 3D attempt. 3D concert attempt. It might be like... What's the word? Far in the future for this one. But I hope I can do it sometime soon. It'll probably just feel like a karaoke, not really a concert. Yeah. Anyway, those are the plans for the future. I hope they sound interesting to you. And probably like sometime in the future, I'll do another Python learning stream again because oh my god, I feel like I will forget. I don't want to forget, but I do feel like I will forget, and I don't want to forget. So, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go find someone to raid into. Who should I raid into today? Uh, 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 I can sing. What do you mean you won't let me forget? Also, Raja, I had no idea that you were into coding. I'm not gonna lie. I had no idea. Okay, let me raid into Umi. Umi. Okay, I'm gonna go right into Umi Koku's stream. Please do the... what's it called? This thing. Did I type it right? There we go. Yeah. Do type that in when we go raid into Umi's stream. And I'm gonna go for dinner. I'm gonna eat well. And when I come back, I'm gonna shower. I'm gonna do my dailies. I'm just gonna do stuff. Hopefully I can shoot some bugs in Helldivers, maybe. I don't know. I should probably just rest, honestly. I'm so tired. Anyway, I'm gonna go lie down and raid into Umi stream now. Thank you guys for teaching me Python today. This was an educational stream. I feel like I didn't actually do any of the work, but you guys did a lot of the work, and that I appreciate. Okay, I go now. 今日来てくれてありがとうも見えないね. Thank you for teaching me today. Oh wait, let me do this end poll. Most of you don't know how to code in Python. 366 votes. Damn. Okay, I go now. Bye bye. Bye bye. I'm glad you had fun. Bye bye. Thank you, new people, for coming today as well. I'm glad I did good. Okay, I will see you next week. Bye bye. 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 Bye bye.